Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. My name is Martyn Lucas. I go live up to 10 hours a day. Apologise for being a few minutes late this morning. I did announce in the live chat. Sometimes, if I'm preparing some news, some breaking news, I put a 5-minute warning in the chat to let you know that I'm going to start in 5 minutes, which I do most mornings as I get extra news as I'm just about to start at 7:30. Today we're talking about Virgin Orbit, Virgin Galactic and Tesla. Elon Musk, like I said, I ran a poll on my channel asking you what do you think of Elon Musk and the Dogecoin situation with the Twitter logo. I said it was absolutely unbelievably ridiculous. Most people in fact, on our poll thought it was quite fun, and I looked at it a very opposite way. A lot of businesses use Twitter. Millions of people, millions of dollars, billions possibly, I don't know, invest in advertising on Twitter. Businesses use it as their branding. It's a serious business. Can you imagine Apple changing their logo to Mickey Mouse or Coca-Cola going to a clown? I don't think so. Now there's a potential a lawsuit against Elon Musk for manipulating Dogecoin using Twitter. No surprise. Who's going to pay the cost? Tesla investors. All right. We've seen it before. We've seen it again. And we'll see it over and over again. Welcome our guests from around the world. I think we have... do we have a guest from Korea today? If we do, I'd like to say hello. So let me do that now. Let me do that. Welcome to our guests around the world.
Welcome to our guests around the world.
I'm going to change that into, I think we have a Korean guest here. I think that's correct. Let's have a little look. And I'll play that for you.
전 세계 고객 여러분을 환영합니다.
There we go. There we go. Got a few guests here coming in this morning from Korea.
전 세계 고객 여러분을 환영합니다.
Welcome. Okay, good morning to everyone. So here we go. Our overall portfolio is slightly down, but that's good. I actually want it to go down today. Not because I'm shorting, I never do. Not because I am doing any options trading whatsoever. But I'd like to get some Tesla cheaper and then scalp it. And also, I want to then very quickly take some profits off the table from Virgin Galactic as well. Okay, thank you. You're very welcome. There you are. Let me translate this a minute. Let's have a... What does this say? Okay. Chinese. We have some Chinese guests here today. Okay. Hello to all our friends in China and Korea. Wonderful stuff. We have a Chinese as well today. Absolutely wonderful. Welcome. Let's welcome everybody in. Before we start, here we go.
欢迎您在中国和韩国的朋友。
중국과 한국에 있는 친구들을 환영합니다.
Okay, we are just going down at the moment. Virgin, the S&P is just down 0.08. Virgin Galactic is up 0.31. Okay, on my Roth IRA, if we look at it over there, that's where we are holding our position to make some money from it initially. It's down 0.74. If it can pop up 5%, I will trim and do it again. Virgin Orbit's going back down again. We had that big crash today. So remember, you can scalp trade this. I've already done it. I've made money from Virgin Orbit and Virgin Galactic. Be very careful if you are scalp trade Virgin Orbit. It can go through your trailing stop loss and take you all the way down to zero. Be careful.
당신이 두피 무역 처녀 궤도라면 매우 조심하십시오. 그것은 당신의 후행 손절매를 통과하고 당신을 0까지 데려다 줄 수 있습니다.
Wi-Fi 2017, the Great Depression. Let me bring you on the screen now. Zatowici, Bill's changed his name, should have had military service. You would never be late, you're fired. Oh well, there you go, Bill. You're not a member, so you can't say anymore. You're not a member to our channel, so you can't say. Anyway, I'm never late. I always put in the channel when I'm going to start. So if I'm going to be 5 minutes, I will say I'm going to be 5 minutes. So I'm never actually late. Anyway, good morning and welcome to you, our friend here from, I think that's China. Welcome to you. Good morning, Martin Octavio. Good morning, Zatowici. Good morning to you as well. I think Bill's changing his image as well. I'm not sure who Bill is now. Ricky Dominic, I didn't get to finish watching Billy Idol music, Video Eyes Without a Face, because I tuned to Martyn Lucas. Ricky Dominic, absolutely. Where else are you going to be? Best channel in the world, right? The Great Depression, Wi-Fi 2017, our guest from China. Let's find out where this person is from. I'd love to know. This is Chinese, folks. Absolutely wonderful. Where in China are you from? We would love to know, and welcome to our show.
你来自中国的哪个地方？我们很想知道，并欢迎来到我们的节目。
Good morning, Ed Nevius. Good morning to you. Tesla, 182 now. 182. This is great. Tesla is going all the way down. I said, and you can check every video I've ever made, Virgin Galactic would go to $3. Well, it just about has. All right, I said it would, and people said, you're an idiot. They didn't want to hear it because people don't want to hear the news. They want to hear a drama. They want to hear everything's going up to $1 million, and that simply isn't the case. I want to be the most honest, real YouTube channel on YouTube. That is what we're all about. If you've just tuned in, please smash the like button. We've got 32 watching and 13 likes. Please smash the like button, okay? That would be absolutely great. Thank you very much indeed. Please smash the like button. It really helps the channel.
请按下赞按钮，它真的对频道有帮助。
Okay, we got Chinese and Koreans and Arabic-speaking audience today, as well as our English, French, Australian, and European. Welcome to all of you.
좋아요 눌러주세요. 채널에 큰 힘이 됩니다.
Welcome from Ed Nevius. Ed, I'm going to finish today's show around about in an hour and a quarter, a very short show today, and I'll be ready to talk to you. I've cleared my half an hour this morning to speak to you. So Ed, if you could go into Discord and send me, please, a picture, a headshot. I'd like to have a headshot, please, if you could, Ed. I don't need that for this morning for our interview, but I do need it for the video to go out before Sunday. Okay. Sensei is here. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How are you? Like Sensei's work on Twitter, commenting on my videos, on my posts, good idea. We all grow together. Breakfast bar. Let me go over and check. George Tremaine, hey Martin, note in Discord, breakfast bar for you. Don't want to disturb your flow. George Tremaine, please do. All right. So yeah, Tesla. First of all, Virgin Galactic. I said it would go to $3, and I stand by that. And here we are. I also said Virgin Orbit could go to $0, and here we are. I also said, and people don't like this either, Tesla is overpriced. I'm buying Tesla at 150, 110 and below. Tesla is a good company, but Elon Musk is the nemesis. He keeps doing stupid stuff, and he's done it again, and now he's in trouble again. No surprise there whatsoever. What am I talking about? I'm talking about this. Elon Musk over on Twitter. Can you see with the the Dogecoin logo. Very, 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 very silly. I ran a poll and some of you said, oh, it's a great idea, because you were looking at the original idea that, of course, Dogecoin could go up in value and you thought it was good. Well, I'm looking at the bigger picture, and the bigger picture is this. This is what we're making a video on today. We have a very important breaking news item. Elon Musk getting sued now for, or potentially for, the logo, manipulating Dogecoin. Absolutely ridiculous. 61% said it's a good idea. 22% and 16% says bad idea or terrible idea. I'm amazed. So, if you'd like to be part of our video today, if you'd like your comment on the screen, I'm making a video, sending it to Elon Musk. I'm making a video about Tesla's stock price going down to potentially 150 or even $100, and I hope it does, because I'll buy it, because Elon Musk is at it again. What's going to happen? Elon Musk will get sued, Tesla shares will get dumped. I've been saying it for about 6 months that Elon Musk would have to sell shares to pay for Twitter. Now he might have a lawsuit because of Twitter again. Anyway, if you'd like to take part in this poll, I would like your comments, please. Here is the information. There is the Twitter poll. Follow me on Twitter and join in our poll. Follow me on Twitter and join in our Elon Musk poll for a video I'm making today. Link below. Thank you.
트위터에서 저를 팔로우하고 앨런 머스크 폴에 참여하여 오늘 제가 만드는 동영상을 아래 링크로 보내주세요. 감사합니다.
在 Twitter 上关注我并加入我们的 Elon Musk 后观看我今天制作的视频链接如下，谢谢。
What do you think of the logo, Sensei? What do I think of your logo? I preferred the other one. I preferred the other one because remember, in a lot of applications, your logo will not be seen that small. That's why I've got a logo which stands out. You can see it very, very small. Remember, people will spend less than a half a second scrolling through. You want to stand out in less than half a second. I thought your other one stood out a lot better. It was clearer. The words here don't stand out as much. It's very cool. Looks great on a poster, but does it look good at 1 centimeter square on someone's phone? They won't even see it. And most people are on a mobile. So I would go the Sensei yellow one, this one. I think this one is clearer and stands out. And it also, for the algorithm, recognizes your name clearly. And the algorithm now can actually read your logos. It reads the thumbnails. So having a clear description on your thumbnail or your logo actually makes things easier for the algorithm. It's very important to consider that. Anyway, back to Tesla right now. Trying to buy it. Let's go over to my Roth IRA. Now then, remember yesterday I told you if you call Robinhood, you get a gift. I spoke to Robinhood yesterday. Look, I'm now earning 4.4% APY on my uninvested cash. If you call them and you've been flagged for pattern day trading, once and once only, they will turn it off. It's worth doing. It's worth doing. Nearly 4.5% for doing absolutely nothing. Backed up to 1.5 million and FHD. What is it again? FIHDC, FHIC. You know what I mean. I keep getting that back to front. For some reason, I can't. FHID, I think it is. Can't remember. Anyway, it's the insurance you get for holding money in a bank. Someone's going to tell me in a minute. And it's going up to 2 million. So if you're worried about, well, I've got more than 1.5 million, don't worry. You're soon going to get 2 million. All right? Keaton S, ahoy all, welcome. Did I live trade this morning? Did I live trade this morning in Tips Room to show on Octo just what I look for on scalps? If anyone wants to know, thank you, Ed Nevius. Just scroll up to the Octo call out. Thank you, Ed. Subscribe. Thank you very much, Ricky Subscriber. Leah is washing up. I cannot believe you can hear that. It's incredible that you can hear what's going on in the background. Out on delivery at the minute, mate. Posting letters. Let's hope Space can post us some good news. Well, they need to work on their marketing because right now they are rubbish at it. Okay, let's... for our Korean friends, we got Korean friends today, and this is for the benefit of you. Here we go. Okay, we're looking at Tesla. We're doing a Tesla poll. Now, I'd like not just your vote, please, but I'd also like your comment. I'm going to share the comments in the making of the film. Comes out later today.
트위터에서 저를 팔로우하고 앨런 머스크 폴에서 저희와 함께하세요. 제가 오늘 만든 비디오를 보세요. 아래 링크는 감사합니다.
Okay, we just made a slight tweak to the microphone. I don't know if that's slightly better. Anyway, so there we go. Got 20 votes. Let me see what the thoughts are here. The comments. I want to see your comments most importantly because these are going to make it into a film. Let's have a look at the comments. Okay, what have we got? Any new comments? Show offensive comments. There we go. Any new comments? Not new comments yet. Okay, so keep voting on that. And we've got 20 votes. I'm amazed that 60% of you think it's a good idea to destroy your brand online on purpose just to make money on Dogecoin. Thank you very much, Leah. I think that's incredible that 60% of you think it's a good idea. Anyway, Elon Musk is being sued now, and no surprise there. And what is it doing? It's damaging the stock price of Tesla. Maybe that's why you think it's a good idea. Drive it down so you can buy it. And it's not a good idea to be sued all the time and lose money all the time. I'm just saying, I don't really think that's the best idea. Buying any more space, Martin, or better to stick to the S&P in these times? I am scalp trading space right now. I said it got to $3, and it just about did. I said Virgin Orbit would go bust, and it is. I said Tesla would go down, and it is. Anyway, top tip today, folks. Put your money on Robinhood right now, earn 4.4%. And best deal. It's 18 times more than any other bank, according to Robinhood at the time of printing this. All right, we've got 20 votes now. Let's go to the Discord lounge, the breakfast bar. Here we go. We're just down at the moment, slightly under 49. Yeah, there we go. Not much. So nothing much going on at the moment. GSK up today on LSC. Thank you, George Semaine. Right, let me go into the breakfast bar. Every morning we have a breakfast bar on Discord, and the purpose of this, if you've not used our Discord yet, join us on Discord. Let me give you the Discord link. Here it is. Here's the Discord link. There you go. Join us on Discord. Join us on Discord to join the family every morning and talk to all our traders every day.
디스코드에 가입하여 아침에 가족과 함께하고 매일 모든 트레이더와 대화하십시오.
Good morning, Mike. There's Mike. There's the special anniversary mug. And George Semaine. Good morning, Mike. Yesterday, I was trying to understand the amount you own of your own money you had paid into Robinhood since the start versus the present day value of your portfolio. I was listening only and couldn't see what you were showing. I think that you said you paid in 90 grand in total with current value about 50. Correct. I find people that have lost 40 grand when they really is saying their portfolio lost once X and now is XY, but they had never paid in X. To me, if you lose money, it has to be the difference between what you paid in cash versus in present day value. Yes, it does. I agree with you. If you cashed out today, I have a friend also lost 60 grand on crypto, but it was BS. He only paid in 10 grand. This increased to 60 and then crashed to zero. He said he lost 60 grand. I say he lost 10. I agree with you. 100% George Semaine. Absolutely. People say when they lose money, when their value goes down. No, when I say I lost money, I actually mean I've lost money. We aim to be the most honest, real channel on YouTube. What I say is what I mean. What I mean is what I say. Everything is verifiable. And absolutely, I am down $40,000. All right. Okay. Good morning, Eric. Jason Fan. Nice sunglasses, Mike. Ray-Bans. They are not Ray money makers, I hope. There we go. There's our comments this morning from the breakfast bar. Thank you very much, everyone who's in the breakfast bar this morning. Please do that. It really helps. Let's have a look. The prophecy is coming true. Rob Brennan. Shall we look into our crystal ball? I think we should look into our crystal ball. Okay, here we go. For all the members, this is only for the members. Only the members can see this. If you're not a member, you won't even see it. It's that magical. You ready? Look into our crystal ball this morning. What do we see? We see further downtrends. I believe we could have another downtrend before the bull market begins. The bull market will begin, I believe, this summer. I said it would towards the end of the summer. Now, I've been saying that now for about 8 months. I stand by that. We are in a bear market rally, have been for a year and a half. I keep buying the dips all the way down. What's more likely to happen to Virgin Orbit is it will cease trading on VORB. It'll come back under a different guise, so the investors won't get any money. The only way you can make money now is by scalp trading it. Can you make money scalp trading VORB? Yes, I did yesterday. I made 40%. However, when a stock is so volatile like this, when it could go up and down 40% in a second, as we learned yesterday, and I've checked and read into it, you can miss out on your stop trail loss. It will go straight through it and sell at a lower price. You get what you're given because everyone is selling and doing the same thing. So be very, very careful. Converging Galactic go bankrupt. Yes, if it goes below 3, it more than likely will go bankrupt. My big investors that I talk to and that have millions of shares of Amazon and Apple, old school money, won't touch Virgin Galactic or Virgin Orbit. They don't see it as an opportunity just because it goes cheap. They would rather buy it at $50 a share, thinking it's now making money and could go to 100 by investing and building more rockets. It doesn't make a great company just because it's cheap. A penny stock is what it is, and a penny stock it could remain. So be very, very careful. Virgin, moving on to Tesla. I said a few months ago that Tesla could go, it's overpriced. It is overpriced. All the Tesla fanboys said, Martin, you're an idiot, blah, 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 blah. We read it on Reddit. God, I get so... the noise that comes out of fans of a stock is so flipping ridiculous. I am not a fan of a stock. The stock is not a fan of me. I'm a fan of you, my audience. The only commodity to me is not my portfolio, not the cash in the bank, is you, my audience. Without you, I have nothing. Whether I'm the world piano man singing or whether I'm doing this show, I am nothing without my audience. So the biggest investment I make is in myself and my audience. So there's no BS here. There's no exaggeration. There's no drama. There's no hype. There's no hyper thumbnail, which is going to tell you you're going to get rich in 5 minutes. Unfortunately, getting rich and earning money is boring. It takes time, it takes patience, it takes discipline. And anyone, a fool, a monkey can make money. The hard part is to keep it. And if you listen to Reddit and YouTube as your main and only source of investing, you will lose all your money, because 99% of people are greedy and selfish. I'm probably greedy and selfish myself, because I want to grow a YouTube channel for myself. It's what I want to do for myself. So I'm equally as greedy and as selfish as everybody else. However, I'm not trying to make money from my channel. I'm focusing on you. The money will take care of itself. So nearly every other YouTuber I can imagine is making a video and telling you a story that gets you to watch, which makes them money. It makes them money. It's not about you making money. Well, I want everyone here to say, I make money every day, which is impossible, but you know what I mean. And Martyn Lucas always tells the truth. That's what we want, right? You don't want to come here and hear a lot of baloney. If you want that, there's plenty of other YouTube channels that will tell you that. The Wolf of Dubai was here when the stock was going up. He stopped doing it and started selling training courses when it went down, and he'll come back when it starts going up and tell you you can all get rich again. Listen to that if you want, but it's not going to help you. The only person it helps is the person who creates the YouTube channel. Here we do the things the other way round. Is Virgin Orbit going to go bust? Probably, and then be reformed. Is Virgin Orbit, is Virgin Galactic going to go bankrupt? Probably 70% yes, 30% no. Should I still own some? Yes. Is it a lottery ticket? A bit better than a lottery ticket, but still a gamble nevertheless. Will my YouTube channel be 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year? Yes. Will my YouTube channel be 100,000 subscribers in under 2 years? Yes, it will. There's the end of my crazy predictions for now. All right. Sensei, what is total deposits? In what? Total deposits in what? What are we looking at? What are you looking at? Total deposits. I like this segment, Jason Fallon, the USD employment claim news today. Yes, really good news. Bad news is good news right now. What are we talking about? Let's cover it right now. Here we go. And initial jobless claims. Okay. You need to know this. You need to know this. This is important. Right now, with being in a bear market, with fighting the Fed, because we are all fighting the Fed, but don't try and fight the Fed because you'll always lose. Right now, we are at war with the Fed. The markets are, at least. So the economy is bad. And bad news is good news for the Fed, because the moment that the bad news turns good, then we can reverse where we are right now. The number of Americans filing for unemployment benefits, fell by 18,000 from the previous week's upwardly revised level to 228,000 on the week ending April the 1st. The sharp revision in the previous week reflects a change in the methodology of adjusting for seasonality by the U.S. Department of Labor. Still, the decrease pointed to a continuously tight labor market. Bad news, not good. Markets going down. Challenging other data released this week that suggests labor conditions could be softening. So what we want to see is more people laid off. All right, we want to see wage increases coming down, because if there are less job openings, the more people, everyone's in work, employers have to pay more money, which makes inflation go up, passed on to the customer, right? We want to see more people unemployed. We don't really want to see that, but we do want to see that from the point of view of the stock market. All right. Let me read this from 22. Bad news doesn't look to be good news anymore. Look at how the S&P futures reacted. I said a couple of weeks ago, bad news will be bad news again soon. Recession is coming. Recession more than likely is coming. But remember, recession and wars are when more billionaires are created than any other time in history. This is when the big money jumps in and buys the bottom of the market. For me, my portfolio bottomed in December. I stand by that. I still believe that. And I'm holding that belief. Okay. Are we getting another subscriber? There we go. Lovely job. How many have come through the show this morning? We've had 88 so far. It's a quiet morning so far. Let's have a little look. 92 now. Excellent. All right. Good stuff. So the markets are going down. That's why I've got money on cash. That's why I'm holding money. I'm not buying anything. I'm buying the dips, but I'm buying the dips de doodahs. What does that mean? I'm buying the all-time lows. I'm not just buying the dip for today. That's no good. We talked about that many, many times on the show. Make sure that you are buying a dip for you. Get the all-time low for you. You can't buy the all-time low 20 years ago, but if you bought a year ago, something, XYZ stock for $10, you want to get it for $9, then you want to get it for $8. If you've got it for $8, you now want to get it for $6. Why? Because we are continually going down and there's much more pain to come. And the more pain we get, the sooner we get it, the sooner we can start the bull market. And that's exactly what we're investing for, the future, long term. Right, best place to learn about investing. Jordan Phillips, how are you? Welcome to the show. Have you smashed the like button? All right. Okay, so everyone's clicked subscribe, ring the bell. We have got coming up on Sunday in our newsletter the best ever giveaway we've ever done. It's a cash prize 10 times bigger than any other cash prize. It's a service prize 100 times bigger than any other giveaway we have ever done. I wish I could enter, but I can't. Well, I could change the rules and say, you can enter, but that wouldn't be right. I want one of you guys to win. How do you enter? There'll be a video coming out soon, but you all need to get the newsletter. I am not here tomorrow to remind you. There's no market tomorrow. I am not here to remind you. So today is the last chance I can remind you because the newsletter comes out on Sunday, 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern. If you've not signed up for the newsletter by then, you will miss out. There is the email newsletter. It's free. It's free to enter. It's free for all. I'm giving away an amazing prize for free. There it is. Click on that link and then verify the email. The verification email will go into your junk folder because it's a newsletter. Okay, this is the link. This is my all links button. Okay, scroll below here and you will find all the links, all my free giveaways, all of my stock giveaways, all of my social media, and the newsletter is right at the top, right there. Put your email in and look out for the verification email. If you don't get the verification email, look in your junk folder. You'll get it in there. And on Sunday, 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, 2 p.m. GMT, you'll receive an email. If you didn't get it, it means you either didn't verify it, which you know if you verified it or not, like I've just explained, or it's gone in your junk folder again. And it could do that for a couple of times until you whitelist it because it is a newsletter. That's what happens. Good morning, T.O. Roll. Good morning. So, have you taken part yet in our newsletter, in our poll? Here is our poll. We are running a poll about Elon Musk. Elon Musk is now getting sued. Tesla's going to get sued again. I said it was going to happen. 60% of you didn't agree with me. Well, you're all wrong. There is the Twitter poll. Take part in it. Leave me a comment because I'm going to use the comments in the video. Here is the poll. It runs out in 7 hours. Mr. Elon Musk changes the Twitter logo to Doge. And I said it was a terrible, terrible idea. 60% of you went, it's a great idea because you were thinking of yourselves and how much money you could make on Doge. I was thinking of the bigger picture. The bigger picture is it damages Elon Musk, it damages Tesla, and now he's getting sued. And guess what? Down goes Tesla. Down goes Tesla. It's all obvious. But however, I've been here for a year and a half and I see it every single day. The same thing. I see people make the same mistakes every day. They think of the initial impact. They think of themselves. They don't think like a chess player. They don't think 3 steps ahead. They think, yes, It's great because Dogecoin's going to pump. But what's the consequence of 2 or 3 or 4 moves along the line? Elon Musk gets sued. It's manipulation. Tesla shares go down. What do Tesla shares go down mean? It means the S&P goes down. What does the S&P going down mean? The whole market sells off for fear again. All because you liked a picture of a dog on Twitter. Not a good choice. Elon Musk, terrible mistake. I didn't just say it was a bad idea. I said it was a terrible idea. And it was a terrible idea. And now he's realizing, again, he doesn't understand how to be a CEO. Tesla is great. Elon Musk, when it comes to being a CEO, is a buffoon. He's a great creator, a wonderful visionary, hardworking, solves problems. That's great. He should be the chief scientist at the company. He should be the guy on the floor working hard. Shouldn't be the CEO. All right? He's not Peter Cook. It's not Peter Cook. Peter Cook, he's a comedian. Well, he is Peter Cook, yeah. He's not Tim Cook. I think he's driven by something else than business. He is. He's not. Yeah, I agree. Anyway, we're here to make money. We're not here to join Elon Musk fan club. Elon Musk isn't in my fan club. Doesn't care about me. Doesn't even know I exist. So why so many people join his fan club is beyond me. And the moment I say Virgin Galactic's going to $3, the Virgin fanboys get upset. The moment I say Virgin Galactic could go bankrupt, they get upset. The moment I say Elon Musk is making mistakes, they get upset. And I say, well, start paying more attention to your money and your investments than being a fan of Elon Musk. I would suggest that would be the best way to go. However, that doesn't seem to be the focus. All right, let's carry on. What kind of video are you going to make? Is it a wet and woolly? What? JP Rothschild, what kind of video are you going to make? Is it a wet and woolly? What is wet and woolly? I've no idea. That doesn't sound good to me, but I've no idea, JP Rothschild, what wet and woolly is about. Perhaps you'd like to enlighten me. All right. If you come into the chat, I will put your comment on the screen. Okay. Has everybody signed up for the newsletter? It's free. Elon not making a mistake, says Sensei. Sensei is our crypto expert, and I respect his opinion on crypto. I disagree with him on this particular case. You know, the people that are suing him for like $500 billion don't agree either. But, you know, we shall see. We shall see. And the fact of the matter is, while you're saying all this, Sensei, while you're saying you don't agree with me, right in front of your eyes, Tesla is going down. Right in front of your eyes. So I find it hard to imagine what it is that he's not got right about this, or what he's not got wrong. I'm saying it's completely wrong, and down goes the stock price, and you're saying he hasn't got it wrong at all. Well, if he wants to drive the stock price down, it's the great thing to do, which he doesn't, because how's he going to pay the fine, and how's he going to pay his Twitter bill? He's in debt. Elon Musk has got a lot of debt, and Tesla has to raise money as well. So I'm not so sure I understand, when we're looking right at it, how you can say it's a good idea. But it's good for me. It's good for me because it's exactly what I expected to happen. I planned for it. I'm buying it on the way down. Bring it on. Bring it on. Wet your finger and stick in someone's ear. Okay, I think we got some rude comments there. We'll ignore that. We won't put that in the film. JP Roth has changed. JP Roth has changed from Project Freedom. Thank you, Mike. That makes sense. That makes sense. That's like, yeah, that makes sense. That's a Project Freedom comment. Thank you, Mike. Thank you, Mike, for very cleverly, subtly giving me the insight there. Appreciate Mike. That's why Mike's a moderator. And he's got a gold badge. And he's a winner of the best award as well. $15 to go. Tesla belongs at $60, $60 anyway. So good for me too. Tesla down, Doge up. Yeah, you're right, Sensei. But Sensei, he's right, because Tesla going down is good for us, and Dogecoin going up is good for us because we make money. However, he's overall wrong, and I would say why he's overall wrong. I've been in business now for 38 years, traveled 195 countries, and there's nothing good about making a bad mistake to drive a stock price down so others can make money. That isn't a good idea. Selfishly, it's great. However, if I said to you today, Elon Musk could, I don't know, dress up like a clown and run around naked in Times Square and the stock price goes down to $1, is that a good idea? Is that a good idea? Anyone who says to me, yep, it's a great idea. No, it's not. It's not a great idea. You don't want to see a stock price continually going down because a clown's running it. That's not what you want. You might go, well, it presents opportunity. It damages the brand. It damages the share price. And the institutions, the big money, not the retail investors, not the guy, not me and you not me and you with no power at all, not me and you sat on Robinhood making a few quid here and there. I'm not on about us. I'm on about the real money, the institutions. They don't think it's very funny. They don't like it. They think it's absolutely ridiculous, and they think it's very damaging. So, think like a rich man, think like an institution, and then you become one. Why do you want to think like a poor scalper? Why do you want to think like a poor man? Why do you want to think like a guy on Robinhood trying to scalp for every penny you can? Think like an institution. Think like a businessman. Don't think like a retail investor, even though we all are, including myself. Aspire to be something better. Don't just think, well, if it goes down, I can buy some more, and then Dogecoin can go up. Dogecoin doesn't do anything. It's just a crypto asset, right? It's just a meme coin. Doesn't produce anything. Doesn't make cars. It doesn't change the world. Tesla is a great company. Elon Musk plays with it. Don't think that is a good idea in infinitum, that we can keep on playing with the stock, messing around, and think it's great. Because ultimately, the chickens will come home to roost, and somebody else will steal the crown. Toyota, for example, they're sitting there doing their thing, very structured, very disciplined, watching and waiting. And Elon Musk can, no matter how rich you are, you cannot dodge the bullet forever. Remember, the person firing the bullet has only got to get it right once. The person dodging the bullet has got to get it right every single time. And Elon Musk is dodging bullets every single time and getting it wrong every single time, paying a price. One day, he's going to get it ultimately wrong, and the person who's firing the bullet is going to get it right. When that happens, someone will take over. And don't think it can't happen, because it can. It's happened in the past. The giants of the industry get wiped out. The best video recorder was the Betamax, and it got destroyed by a VHS, which was rubbish. Nobody ever bought I owned a Betamax. The technology was way better. It was played in cinemas. It was way better. And it got completely destroyed by VHS. And now we've done it again. We've done it again. MP3 has replaced CD. CD was far higher quality. The cheaper version can often win. So be very careful thinking that Elon Musk can do anything, act like a clown, and it will just keep going unnoticed. It won't. Anyway, let's have a look. His fans would still justify it. His fans will still justify what the price. The fanboys aren't the ones that keep Tesla up. They're what gives you the opportunity of pumping and dumping, but they're not the ones who, the big institutions aren't messing around with it like this. I would like Tesla for a buck. Why would you? If it went to a buck, it's bankrupt, it's finished, destroyed. No one's touching it. I know you like to be honest, Martin, but I don't believe you visited every country. I have. There's estimated to be only 200 people who have ever done it. 22, I have. 100%. It took me 17 years. 22. I know you like to be honest, but I don't believe you've visited. I've visited 195 countries. Yes, I have. Many of those just flew in to an airport and out. Not everyone landed and walked around and stayed in a hotel or whatever. But yes, I have. That's why I'm known as the World Piano Man. I have been everywhere. It took me 17 years. I went professional at 16. I'm 54 now. Yep. Many of it was done through cruise companies, private weddings. Cruise companies took me everywhere, and then from there I bounced off and visited places, was booked to do private events. So 22, I can guarantee you 1,000,000%, and I don't know how to prove it to you, and I don't really care to mean to do so, but I have been to 195 countries, and I am not... what would be the point? I tell the truth about everything else, and then make something else. What would be the point of that? What would be the point of that? So everything's true apart from this. What would be the point? I might as well just go, I did 100 countries then. No. And to do, by the way, to do countries in what's it called? To do countries in Europe, you can do it in like 4 days. That's dead easy. So you can do about 60 countries in about 4 days. I was doing a tour. I was in Germany, and I was doing a gig. And I worked 4 days a week. 3 days a week I was off, and I would then go to different countries, drive my car, and zip all over the place. Anyway, to give you an example, I was flown from London to Singapore to get on a cruise ship in Phuket in Thailand for 1 hour show. And give you the idea of how I was moving around. That was Saga Cruises. And Saga Cruises had me on the cruise ship for a week. I did 1 hour show, and we stopped at, I think, about 12 countries, and there was 12 just there. I did a tour of Africa, starting in Northern Africa, Egypt. People don't think of Egypt being in Africa, but it is. It's North Africa. And then I went south, did safari, went in the jungles, went all over the place, even places like Somalia. Yep, been all those places. Many times flying in, flying out very quickly. But yes, there you go. Tesla is down 2%. The old market is down. Tesla is overpriced. The markets will get Elon and will get used to Elon and Doge. They'll get used to it. I love it. Doge will eventually become part of the brand. Best way to integrate is now. He's doing it. 22. One person who has done it said it took 12 years of non-stop traveling. That's ridiculous. That's absolutely ridiculous. It does not take 12 years. Absolutely ridiculous. What they're doing, walking. It's really not that hard. With modern day technology and with planes and travel, it's not that hard, 22. I don't care what someone else told you. It took them 12 years of non-stop traveling. That's absolutely insane and ridiculous. Not true at all. I don't know what they were doing. They were bloody walking or something. Are you going to scout more Vorb? No. I listened to what 22 said when he said about it can... leave you and pass through your position. So I thought, okay, I took some advice on that. Look, North Korea laughing his head off. 22, yes. I'm not gonna. Bloody hell! I've told you. If you don't, I don't know. Anyway, told you. That's outstanding. Not really. Were you even in Suriname, for example? Look, I've been everywhere. Yes. Yeah, we can go for the whole list if you want. Every country in Africa. Surely you understand. Yes, I understand the skepticism. I don't care. I spent my whole life doing it. I'm the World Piano Man. It was my life, right? I don't know how best to say it. Anyway, I'm going to move on from this. 54 of them are just in Africa. Yeah, I know. What about it? Anyway, Rivian is now down 0.96. Moving up. Tesla, 182. Now, yesterday, let's go back to my Roth a minute. Yesterday, we bought it in at 188.98. 188. So I've got 182 now. I've got 188. We've got 4 minutes to go before the market opens. Let's have a look. 188. 188. 182. $183. I bought one there. That went through 182.60. Just another one. That's 5 shares of Tesla now. $44 watching. We're not doing any more of the country thing. I've done it. I'm not going to go over it anymore. I tell you what I'll do one day. I'll get out my photo album and I'll show you all the countries. I've got these little maps I put all over the world where I went everywhere and I got a picture from everywhere. One day I'll do that. Tesla. Yep, bought that. Okay. Tesla going to 176. I just bought another one. My average is 158 now, but I got 5. Okay, there we go. We're making a profit on it. Pumping up. 2 minutes to go. So what I'll do, if we can get to 190, I will sell one. And I'll start taking profit from it and then buy it. I'll just keep taking profits and then buy it on the way down. Even if I only make $10 a share, if I can make $10 over and over again, then that's great. 49 watching right now. We've got 49 watching. If we get 50 likes, I will do my first voice of the morning. Here we go. We've got 1 minute to go. Sell and buy back. Yeah, that's the idea, Mike. So I just bought one. I got an order placed at 150. 182.60. There we go. I've nearly made $1 on it already. Or like 50 cents. Anyway, we'll see how that goes. Keep lowering my average on it. Here we go. 30 seconds to go. 54 watching now. Smash the like button. If we get 50 likes, we'll do our next voice for you. Our impression. Ready? 30 seconds to go. 20 seconds to go. Virgin Galactic down 0.63. If it hits $3 and below, it could be the end of Virgin Galactic. Richard Branson does not have a very good track record now. 8 seconds to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. IonQ is down 5%. So IonQ now is getting more attractive. Okay. If we can get up to 190, I'll sell one. Good morning. Sid says, Sid from the Netherlands. I've got a gig that I play in Amsterdam at the Maxim's Piano Bar. Lovely country. Love the Netherlands. And from there I went to Belgium, did the Spa track, you know, where the Formula 1 track is. Here we go, 183, 61, 70. BTC white paper is hidden in every Mac laptop. Eh? What's that all about? The BTC white paper is hidden in every Mac laptop. What's all that about? Okay, our last buy-in was 182.60, 183. Nice. So we're making a profit now on Tesla. Lucid, Apple, Space going down. Yep, there we go. If it goes below 3, Virgin Galactic, because it needs to dilute and raise money, it's potentially going to go bust as well. I just want to make that clear. Everyone's like dreaming of space, going into space, thinking everything's magical and amazing, but really it's not a good business model. They've only got about people say 2 years. I think their burn rate is way more than that, less than a year. Unless we get a flight in the next week or so and get people up in the air paying customers, Virgin Galactic will just simply run out of money. It's as simple as that. And after Virgin Orbit and the Hyperloop and everything else that's failed for Richard Branson, nobody will buy it. Another company will come along and do it. They don't need the technology. They'll just go, we can do it ourselves. So Virgin Galactic, no matter how bullish you are and how much you believe in it, the reality is it will not survive unless we get paying customers in the air, like immediately. They can't rush, but do you think they're taking their time on purpose? They don't have the money to accelerate like SpaceX does. Tesla, wicked, up to yesterday's low. 308. Vorb is up 10%. We had another little bounce this morning. There we go. It's having a bounce. No, not going to buy it again. I did it yesterday. Don't push our luck on it. Space going down. Tesla wicked up to yesterday's low. FOA trailing stop. If I was in stocks, I'd be shorting this. I don't short any stocks. It's not for me. Now it's getting closer to your $3 prediction. Government contract essential to space companies. Space will unfortunately die. Yes, it's more likely to die now. Under 3, it will. More than likely. My estimate on it is 70%. If it goes below 3, I would increase that to 80%. So AMC to the moon. Elskay, welcome to you. Welcome. We got 29 likes now. If we can get 50 likes, we will have some fun on the show, and we will do our first impression of the morning. You can choose either Michael Jackson, Frank Sinatra, Michael Bublé, Richard Marx, Pavarotti, Nessun Dorma, Andre Bocelli, Louis Armstrong, Sir Paul McCartney, Elton John. Any one of those voices. If we get 50 likes, smash the like button. We've got 29 likes right now, 59 watching. Virgin Orbit, we're not scalping it this morning. I think we got away with it yesterday. We're trying to move on from that now. Tesla now at 180. 180, averages 158. What do you think Vorb can get to? Vorb, I think Vorb is just going to keep going between 19 and 26, 27. I mean, I made 40% yesterday, and ultimately it'll probably change ticker and become a new company. So any shareholder will end up with nothing. So be very careful. And remember, the stop trail loss is not a guarantee. When it trades so quickly and so volatile like this, it can fall through the floor in a second. So I could demonstrate that if you want me to. Shall I do it for demonstration purposes? Buy Vorb. Okay, I'll buy 100. I'll do a limit order. I'll demonstrate it. Here we go. A limit order on Vorb. Okay, so if we go 22, 23 cents. I'm trying to do it for demonstration purposes. Review the order. Buy. Limit order. 100. Review the order. Edit. I'm trying to demonstrate this to you just so you can see how it works. 25 cents. Right, I bought 100 shares of Virgin Orbit. Now I'm going to sell 100 shares of Virgin Orbit using a trading stop order percentage, and I'm going to go down to 1 cent, 0.01. How many did I buy? 100. Okay. Review the order. I'm demonstrating how you can make money on it. Okay. Amount 1 cent. So I bought it. There we go. 24. Review the order. So this is just a demonstration of how you can make money. Okay. So I'm now going to sell Virgin Orbit. I only bought 100. I don't believe in it anymore. I'm just doing it to demonstrate how I can do it. Wait a moment. There it goes. Down $1. I only bought 100 just to show you how it works and how you can get caught out. It's not necessarily going to go through. I'm not going to buy any more, because if I'm going to buy more, I'll buy it at 19. Okay. Okay. Once I can make 1 cent profit at 24, if we can see it get to 25 quickly, I'll do it. Then I'm guaranteed to make money and it can run. 24. Here we go again. 24, here we go. This is about as high as it gets. It might go to 30, but then that's about it. So there really isn't much in it. And I'm only doing it on a few cents just to demonstrate the purpose of it and to see if it will go through, because last time it did, and 22 said be careful on a stock like this, it can go to 0. Well, it doesn't matter. I'm just doing it for entertainment purposes. So I'm just waiting for it to go to 25, and then I'll set it. There's no point doing it yet, because I'm guaranteed to lose money. And I don't like losing 1 cent, let alone, thousands. You ready? Let's see if we can do it again. It's near the top now. As you can see, it's hitting resistance here. If it breaks through here, if it breaks through 24, you never know. We might get a little pump to 30. You never know, but let's see if we can do it. The moment it hits 25, I can play with it. Keep watching, keep watching. Here we go. Go on. Bought 20,000 shares at 16 yesterday. 200,000 shares, MF7. Congratulations. Yeah, I'm not doing that because I think it's just a gamble. And we're the investment channel, not the gambling channel. Okay, here we go. Once it hits, so sell VORB amount. This is just demonstration purposes. Just a bit of fun to show you how it works. I'm only buying $25 of it. Absolutely nothing at all. If it drops 1 cent, it'll be sold. Okay, there we go. So sell. Okay, so now I've set a sell at 20 there. And hey, there you go. So there you go. You can see now I'm up 130. Now that could have been 10 grand if I'd gone in all in, but I didn't want to do that. I'm only having a laugh just to show you how it works. So let's watch it right now. Let's see if I can make a profit on that. Keep watching. It will sell. It will sell at 1 cent less. There we go. It's sold. It's sold. So there you go. That's how that works. That's how a stop trail loss works. I could have done that like yesterday with 2,000 shares and made myself a few bucks, right? I chose not to because, quite honestly, it's silly. It's silly. But who cares? Making money's making money, right? So you can see there's the profit. It was a tiny, tiny amount of money. I made myself nearly $1. All right, but that just proved how it works. I bought it for $24.79. I sold it for $25.2. So there you go. The stop trail loss 2 times out of 2 works perfectly well on Robinhood. We learned yesterday that might not be the case. It could suddenly fall through. But as you can see, if you catch it at the bottom of the morning at 19 cents and you go in, maybe 2,000 shares or whatever you could do, you can actually make some money. So what I like to do is set it very, very tight on it. So the moment it pops up, makes me 3 or 4 cents. That's it. I'm done. I will set at a 1 cent loss because most traders will try to be more greedy than that and they'll all sell at that point. There you go. Now it's going back down again. Yesterday, it did it twice. So, should I do it again this time with 1,000 shares? Who wants to see me do it again? Maybe with 1,000 shares at 19 cents. Bearing in mind, I don't want to get flagged as a pattern day trader because I can make more money on my uninvested cash in this bear market. Look on the screen there, 4.4% APY with gold on Robinhood. FDIC backed insurance up to $2 million, $1.5 million, soon to go up to $2 million. So I've got no risk whatsoever, just leaving cash there. I can load up the boat once I finish my Roth IRA and earn free money without any risk whatsoever. Now, Robinhood are bringing out a cash card soon where I can get money back on my money. So I might as well use Robinhood as a bank. It puts money in Goldman Sachs, it puts money in Wells Fargo, and they're all backed by FDIC, 2 million, going up to 2 million soon. So I might as well do that than risk my money, to be quite honest with you. I made some money from Virgin Orbit. Thank you very much. It's free money, right? Okay. Let's have a look. Sensei said bought at 13 cents level. Post on Discord. Limit sell is about to get triggered. Up 75%. Just spot. Very nice indeed. Is it just games by now trying to squeeze shorts? No. I think there's more to it than that. I think everyone knows that Virgin Orbit is going to change ticker. It's going to go bust. Everyone knows, or at least they should know, that Virgin Galactic, 80% is going to go bust. People have lost a lot of money from Virgin, so what they're doing, they're trying to get some money out. Remember the poor people, though, who are paying at the top They are losing all their money. So, but you can't think about those people if you want to be an investor or trader, right? So there you go. I think people are just buying like I'm doing, trying to get their money out. I've lost about 40 grand, most of it due to Virgin brand, whether it be Virgin Orbit or Virgin Galactic mainly. So I'm trying to get my 40 grand back. I'm never going to do that because I'm not going to buy 1 million shares to down Virgin Orbit and try and scalp it. I could do that, and 2 out of 2 now, it's worked perfectly. So there's no reason why it wouldn't work again. However, I'm not going to do that. It's just not of interest to me right now because it is extremely risky. And I don't want to be holding the bag of Virgin Orbit when it goes to zero, which ultimately that's what's going to happen. But it's a way to make money. So do it with a bit of a lottery money. Do it with $100. Do it with $100 and make $100. You could double your money very easily. Bearing in mind, though, it's worth noting, nearly every country is different. And yes, I've been every country, and we had that debate earlier. Every country is different, and tax situation for everyone is different. If you do an immediate trade like that, 20% of that's gone to the tax man. Because it was capital gains, short-term capital gains tax at the highest level. So just bear that in mind. You might go, well, I can trade for free, but you will get charged something on tax. I still have 100 shares of VORB at 13 from yesterday. Inexpensive moon bag. There you go, an inexpensive moon bag. Buy a moon bag, leave it alone. If it goes to $1 million, hey, why not? I think everyone should have a moon bag in potential explosive stocks. Why not? Why not? I will sell it at $1. Any takers? I like it. Bought 200,000 shares at 16. Did you trade them? Did you sell them? The markets are broken. How can a company that has no future ahead, that filed for bankruptcy, is up 100% this week? But on the other hand, you have Space, who did another test flight yesterday and dropping because it's not about the company. It's not about the share price. It's about people's greed and people's frustration. And that is what I invest in. That's what I understand. That's what I've always talked about on my channel. It's looking at people's greed. That's what this channel is about. The share price is not the company. The share price is just the price on the day that people are prepared to pay for a stock. That's it. No less, no more. Very, very simple, very straightforward. You are just making an educated guess, which is all you're doing, based upon greed and human behavior. That's really what we're doing here. Going to pay capital gains on that buck. Yes, Tarn is shed. I will pay capital gains on that buck. I actually won't, of course, because I posted more losses this year, so I actually won't pay any tax on it anyway, even if I'd made it $100. Do it, buddy. J Chaotic wants me to buy 2,000 shares. Shall I buy 2,000 shares? Yeah, shall I start a poll? Shall I buy 2,000 shares of VORB? Anybody? Any takers? Shall I do it? Entertainment purposes only. Yes or no? Remember, 40% of my money is sat on the S&P. I'm always going to be up anyway. This is just for fun for you guys. Hi, everyone. Currently listening while at work. Don't tell the boss. Oh, don't tell the boss. I agree, Pete. Yes, trailing stop losses are good, but you can get caught if a bid-ask spread is too large. So level 2 is good for that. Large spread can cause rug pulls, so be mindful of that. Exactly. We discussed that yesterday. Did you see the statement by Matthew Brown on Virgin Orbit? Keaton S., are you a member? Can any of the members send that into Discord? I would like to see that. So if anyone could send in, I do believe that Matthew Brown said he, and this may be what you're talking about, but this was about a week ago. He said the reason the deal didn't go through is that Richard Branson wanted to hold the majority share, so he couldn't get ownership. That's why it didn't go through. And we know why Richard Branson did that, because he got preferred stock and he wants to get his Cosmic Girl and his rocket. So Richard Branson was not thinking of the benefit of the company. He was thinking of himself. Again, a businessman. He doesn't care about you. Neither does Elon Musk. They don't care about the retail investor. They care about their business. They care about themselves. And their business is not Virgin Orbit or Virgin Galactic. Their business is Richard Branson. Richard Branson will survive and do well, thank you very much, even if Virgin Orbit goes to zero, which it probably will, which it more than likely will anyway. If you were to pull up Europe USD yesterday at 3 o'clock, that is a liquidity grab and type of stop loss you wouldn't been smoked on. Yes, when the dollar became the lowest price in history against the British pound last year, I took advantage of that. That was the easiest way to make money because of the Prime Minister at the time. I forgot her name now. The lady, I forget her name now. She did that awful emergency budget. She crashed the dollar. She crashed the pound to the dollar at an all-time history low. And I actually made money on that. It was a guaranteed easy money because I need money in pounds sent to England. That's where I want to retire. I just bought some pounds with my dollars, and it was the easiest money I've ever made in my life. At work as well, Tarn Shed. Look at space. It's almost 3 exactly. There we go. No surprise. Exactly what I said it would go to. Branson bags. Yeah, it's all about Branson. Businessmen just care about themselves. Remember, my channel, my commitment, my honesty, my 10 hours a day live streaming is committed to you. It's why I'm here. I'm here for you 100% every day. I am trying to grow the most honest, real channel on YouTube. That's it. Money will take care of itself. We'll make, the channel could make millions just by being here and focusing on you. Not focusing on telling stories, telling everybody that Virgin Galactic is going to go to $1 million today, making up stories as other YouTubers do. No, focusing on you, going live. That's why I'm here. And that'll continue to be the focus of my channel. Seco Holt bid 5, ask 1.1, huge spread. Ed Nevius, has VORB got any buyers in the pipeline yet? Not that I know of. I think what's going to happen, Noi, is the company will be, that's why it's got the bankruptcy protection, Chapter 11. All the assets will be protected. Things will be paid off. Richard Branson will pay off some debts. And he will own the rocket, they'll take the technology away, and the company will be reformed under a different ticker. What does that mean for you? Nothing. You get 0. The company will be divided up, and the shareholder will get 1 penny a share. Nothing. It will go to 0. That's what I think is going to happen. So all we're doing now is scalp trading it to try and get our money out. Some are taking a huge risk on it. I'm not doing that. I did that, entertainment purposes alone. I did that. Yesterday I did 40% on 2,000 shares. Let's see what the vote is right now. We've got a vote here, 32 votes. Should I buy 2,000 shares of VORB? And 53% say yes. Look at the general chit chat on my Discord, please. Had the VORB channel VORB chart and the level. Thank you very much, Sensei. I'll look at that in a second. Was on premium channel, but trade is finished now. JP Rothschild, this is Project Freedom, isn't it? I could do the same thing. I can go to the mall and pick up the whole bunch of postcards and superimpose my face. Everyone, oh my gosh. All right. I'm going to start ignoring JP Rothschild. They've changed their name to somebody else to try to fool me to thinking there's somebody else. I know exactly who you are, Project Freedom. And, I'm not even going to waste my time. Believe what you want. Are you an investor or a gambler? That's the question. I'm an investor, but there's nothing wrong with having a bit of entertainment on the channel with a few bucks to show everybody how it works. I used to work at Virgin Orbit. Good thing I got out there in time. Tarn is shed. You used to work at Virgin Orbit. Would you like to call into the show? I would love to hear from you. I visited the Virgin Orbit space station in Cornwall. I went there last year. You can look up my Virgin Orbit playlist. I interviewed the staff at Virgin Orbit. Was you there in Cornwall, or do you mean in the US? We're going to the Virgin Galactic space station later this year. That is the plan, if not the New York Stock Exchange. Tarn Island, if you'd like to call in, here is our Discord channel. You can call in. I will tell you though, because we get bots, scammers, people make up stories, and we can't have that for our viewers. It's only reserved for members. If you are a member of our channel, you can get access to the broadcast lounge where you can call in. I've given you the Discord. Here is the invitation to become a member if you wish to do so, and you get 20 times back what you put in if you are a member as well. All right, you'll see nearly everyone watching live is a member. You'll ask them why, and they will tell you. With the highest engagement rate of any channel on YouTube when it comes to live viewers who are members. 95% of my live viewers, regular live viewers, are members. No, says Keaton S. I'm talking about a statement from Matthew Brown that he made yesterday. I can put it in Discord if you'd like me to. Please do, Keaton S. But like I said, I can't show it on the screen because we don't know who you are. You're not a member of our channel. If you become a member, I can verify you, and we can upgrade you, and we can share, and you can call in, you can talk. I can't do that. It's only a couple of bucks a month. Anyone investing here, I mean, we've made it the cheapest it can possibly be on YouTube. So, if you want to become a member, we can verify you and all the rest of it. But I can't give false or misleading information to my audience at any price. Tilray going up a bit. Okay, let's see if we can make some money out of Tilray. Tilray, yes, let's go to the Roth IRA position. That was my newest position. And I'm up, yes. Now then, I'm up. I've got 100 shares, a very small position, because I'm basically investing on it going to $40 a share when legislation goes through. So the idea is if I can get to $5, double my money, I will sell half my position so I get my money back out. My capital can earn 4% in Robinhood without any risk at all. In fact, 4.5%. And then I can buy back when it drops, because it will. Earnings season next week, we are covering all the stocks we own. We are covering all the live earnings. That would have been a bad deal for Matthew Brown. It would have been. Theresa May. No, not Theresa May. No, not Theresa May. It wasn't Theresa May. It was the most recent female prime minister. It wasn't Theresa May. That was years ago. It's annoying me now. Who was it? What was her name? We got a guest here from, I think this is Greece. What is going to happen to space under 3? The dream will be over. 80% likely, yes. 80% likely, yes, it will be. And then we'll be in the same position as VORB. You didn't read my comment. Please look at my Discord on General Chit Chat. It's a chart posted on my premium. Sensei, I will go to Discord right now and look at your account. Please look at my Discord on General Chit Chat. Oh my gosh, you've upgraded your account big time. Bloody hell, you certainly have. Wow, I like all the logos. Very nice. Good work on your channel, Sensei. Like it. General Chit Chat. It's It's a bit overwhelming at the moment, I will say, but let me just look on general chit chat. I can't see general chit chat at the moment. Welcome, Tees. Oh, there it is. There it is. Okay, Vorb, risky. Okay, here we go. This is the chart sent in from our analyst, our crypto expert, and does great chart work for us. Vorb, risky, but buy for a bounce. We'll buy tomorrow if it hits one. If it hits we'll buy tomorrow if we hit $1. Is that $1.16? On the 1.618 on the fib chart, sorry, which is at 13 cents. I beg your pardon. There we go. Keaton S has just become a bronze member. There is the chart. Thank you, Ali, for sending that in. Right, can we please welcome our new member? Keaton S has just become a member. Virgin Galactic is now in serious trouble. Virgin Orbit was scalp trading it again. So first of all, let me go over now and would all my members please put your cities and countries in, please, where you are from, and let's welcome Keaton S. Keaton S, would you put your city and country in? Let's welcome Keaton S into the family, a new member, as I give him all his benefits and perks. There we go, new member. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you so much. Thank you very much, Keaton S. Would everyone welcome him in? There you go. Keaton S has become a new member. Now then. Let me change that. Now, Keaton S, you've got a blue badge. It will turn green, then yellow, then gold, then red and purple as you become a member for longer. You can now ask me any question and I will answer it. You can ask me to do a poll. You can ask me to review a stock. I'll make a video on it. I'll even, if you want me to, people that sometimes want me to make a video say, would you buy shares in something? If you want me to buy shares in something that I wouldn't do, you can give me a $10 super chat. And I'll make a video and I'll actually buy the stock on air in front of everyone and put it out. It can actually promote the stock and I will buy it and I will hold it. It's a super chat from you for the amount you want me to invest. I've done that for loads of members and can do that. I will also reply to all your comments when you comment below any of my videos on YouTube. We have a cash giveaway every first Friday of the month. Tomorrow is the first Friday on Twitch is our giveaway, but we're doing it on Monday because we're not here tomorrow. So on Monday we'll do our cash giveaway. You can also get a birthday as well. What that means is if for you or a family member the day before, the day after, or the day of, I will celebrate your birthday. Here is my music studio. I will do a birthday celebration for you or a family member, your wife, child, whoever it might be, once a year for you for free. You get to download the video, keep the video, and you have your very own birthday. People pay me $500 to do that. You get it for free as a member. You'll also get access to our NFTs. We have NFTs coming out, and all my members can buy them at the cheapest prices, and they'll all make money because as the channel grows, the NFTs go up in value. And you can own the NFTs as they come out. And also, you get full access to Discord. So here is the Discord link, and I'm going to upgrade your account. You can then share links, which are verified because we know you're not a bot or a scammer. You're a member. And you can also call in live to the show. We heard from DR Murrier call in yesterday, who lost $90,000 live on the show. And he called in to talk about it via margin. There is the Discord. I'll go to Discord right now. Come into the welcome all on my channel and I will upgrade you live on the show and make you a member. So go into welcome all. And here is the welcome all channel. So down the left-hand side of the channel, you can see this is Discord. Down the left-hand side, there is welcome all. Come into the welcome all channel right at the top and say hello here. I will confirm it's you, upgrade you live on the show, and then you can be in the show, call in, send in links, and so on and so forth. It may take 10 minutes to get through as we have the highest level of security. I see you. There he is, Keaton S. All right. Now then, have I already done your name? I have. Now, to protect your account, because others will pretend to be you, Keaton S. in YouTube, confirm that is you on the screen. In YouTube, confirm that is you on the screen. Keaton S. Here we go. Confirm that is you. Is this you? Confirm on YouTube, because people will come in, pretend to be you because they want to access Ali Tizro's channel. They want to access Ed Nevius. They want to become friend me and then start scamming all my audience. So I need you to, is this you? Confirm on YouTube. Welcome in Ed Nevius. Affirmative, that's me. Okay, I will now upgrade your account. I will now upgrade you to a YouTube member. I will add you as a friend. My members will only friend people who are my friends. I don't friend anyone who is not a friend, who's not a member. So we know they're real. And I will add you as a member, a YouTube member that is. There you go. You are now done. You're getting all the welcomes from the family. There you go. You can now see News and Others tips, all the YouTube members, Ed Nevius's tip. If you ever go silver, you can have your own channel. And you can also be on the YouTube channel, I will get everyone to subscribe to your YouTube channel. Okay? You can have your own channel if you ever go silver. Right, down at the bottom, there is the broadcast lounge. You can now call in live to the show here. If you want to call in, you can be here on camera or just audio. If you want to post links now into the show, go up here and you can now see links for the show. Where is it? Where is it? Here. There we go. Links for YouTube. There. Links for YouTube. That's where you share links for YouTube, obviously. And I will share them on the screen. All right. Broadcast lounge is open. And there you go. I will look out for your link. Thank you very much indeed. All right. Coming back now. £8,000 in AMC. I wouldn't invest in AMC. That's not for me, but good luck to you. You didn't read my comment. Oh, I did now. Yes, Sensei did that. Tarn is shed in the US building, the engines, but I'd rather not call in. I don't want to violate any NDAs on accident. I'm not a legal expert. No problem at all if you don't want to call in, but if you just want to share, I talk to people at Virgin Orbit and Virgin Galactic every day. People that work there via Twitter and other means. If you want to call in and just share your experiences of what it's like at Virgin Orbit or what you did there, that's okay. We'd love to hear from you. You could share your experiences. We would love to hear it. Anyway, if not, that's absolutely fine. Tesla. Right then. Can I sell some Tesla now? Make some money? Let's have a little look. 182.60. Yep, I made $1 on that share. If I sell it, I'm not going to though. Virgin Galactic bought me a Corvette in July. I'll gamble on Vorb, says Chaotic. Jumper starting to get very worried about things for Virgin Galactic. Yeah, you should be. Become a member, Eric B. There we go. Sedi added to watch. There we go. Ed Nevish's tips every morning. There we go. Tesla is now going up. Liz Truss, that's the lady. Liz Truss was the one who made me money on the British pound. She did the worst budget in our British history. The pound went to its all-time low, and I sent some money over. Thank you very much, Liz Truss. But the red market will drop under 3, so it's over. So it's over for Virgin Galactic. It's not over, but the chances are it is. Yeah. Keaton S. now become a member. Welcome from Mike. Hi all, says Keaton S. Welcome, said Ed Nevius. Welcome from San Antonio, Texas. I'm from Litchfield, Stratfordshire, UK. Wonderful stuff. Alex Castro changed his name to Senzite, and you said nothing. I changed my name, and you down me. There's a word for this. No, not at all. I'm not downing you, but you came on and you accused me of making up stories. That's what I'm saying. And you can say what you like. You can say whatever you want about me, but I'm always going to correct you if it's incorrect, and I'm always going to answer your question as well, as long as I can. I don't believe you are a member, so I can't focus on my non-members if we get too busy, though, right? Jason Fallon, welcome to Jason. So I can post the Matthew Brown statement now. Yes, you can. You can now post it in links for YouTube. Links for YouTube. Let me go over there now and check if you've done it yet. Not yet. I'm keeping my eye out for it. You're a good businessman. Fed Bullard about to speak. Fed Bullard about to speak. Give me the news. Margaret Thatcher. No, it was Liz Truss. We had it earlier. Delph, the energy, what a man for me, Martin, is a god. And yes, I would check for a subscription. That's nice. The energy, what a man for me, Martin, is a god. That's a bit dramatic. And yes, I will check for subscription. Delph, thank you very much indeed. Mark Korn has now been a member for 13 months with his gold badge. Can't believe it. Mark Korn, how are you? We've missed you. You've not been well, right? Do you want to call into the show? Here we go. Tesla going up. I want to trim. Let me have a look. I want to sell a 182.60, 183, yes. If it goes up any more, I'm going to set a stop trail loss on one share. So sell Tesla. Mark Korn, thank you so much indeed. Let's celebrate the fact that you have been a member for such an amazing time. 13 months. It won't be long before you get the coveted red badge. Well done. Thank you very much indeed, our member for the longest time. One of our original members. Thank you so much indeed. Appreciate you a lot. All right. Thank you, mate. Affirmative. That's me. Fed Bullard. Let's read the comments. Pete, currently en route from last cruise to Spaceport America. Looks like more test flights today, so I'm hoping, right, we will cover it live on the show if Virgin Galactic gets in the air. Excellent, thank you. So where should I post Matthew Brown? In, I told you, in links for YouTube. Find the document by opening terminal, BTC white paper in all Macs. Incredible. Vorb down again. Tesla's going up. We're about to make some money from Tesla. Virgin Orbit. Okay, here we go. Buy Virgin Orbit. Buy Virgin Orbit. Here we go. Buy Virgin Orbit. Limit order. Limit order. Limit order. Limit price. 21 cents to make sure it goes through. And 200 shares. 500 shares. Okay, review the order. Review the order. Brokerage account. Roth IRA. 21 cents. 500 shares. Review the order. 1,000 shares. 1,000 shares of Virgin Orbit. 1,000 shares, 210. Review the order. 21 cents. There we go. Buy 1,000 shares. There we go. Okay. Vol purchased. 1,000 shares done. Okay. This time what I'm going to do is I've got 1,001. I will sell. When did we hit that point there? We hit it at 25. So 24. If we call it 24. 24. What's that there? 22. 23. 24, sell Vorb, at a limit order, sell Vorb, I just bought at, okay, sell Vorb at 24, shares 1,000, there we go, estimated credit, $240, I bought it for so I'll make $40. That's good. I'm happy with that. Okay, there we go. Execute at any point. Sell Virgin Orbit. So there we go. Sell Virgin Orbit, 24 cents, 1,000 shares. Good for the day. Good for the day. Good till cancelled. There we go. Review order. Estimated credit 240. Extended hours. Back into my Roth IRA. Review the order. 24 cents, shares 1,000, good till cancel, 240, sell at 24 cents. Okay, we'll forget it now. There we go. We'll take some money back out of there, and we shall see how that goes. Okay, done. There we go. Sell. Right, let's see what happens. Forget it. Move on. Don't do a stop trail loss. Just sell it at 24 cents. Take it or leave it. There we go. So you can share your link now. I've got a message, friend, pending. Who's requested a friend? Incoming. I've got to request it now. I will tell everybody. I get lots of scammers on Discord. They come in and try to scam people. I've got a person here called Nami Kang. Just come on in. If you get any friend request from anyone that's not a member of a member or a friend of mine, do not accept it. Nami Kang, are you in YouTube right now? Are you in YouTube? If you are, become a member and I'll accept your friend request. I won't accept friend request from anyone who's not a member. I won't do that because we don't know who you are, and our experiences, we get scammers. So there you go. So I won't accept any friend requests from someone who's not a member. I'm looking for links for YouTube. I don't see it from Keaton S yet. All right, let's go back. My portfolio is doing very well indeed. Let me share with you what's going on here. Right. Here is my main portfolio. So we're coming up now. I'm earning 4% now, 4.4% on Robinhood, uninvested cash. There is my overall my brokerage position. My Roth IRA is now coming up, and we're nearly at 49,000. 49.4 was our all-time high, so we're not far off from an all-time high. We'll be there probably in the next hour, I would imagine, less than that possibly. Vorb going down again. We just bought it. Congratulations, Mark. 13 months. Nice. I'm just doing what everyone else is doing, taking off the top for Vorb. Congratulations, Mark. Just bought 50 Tesla and 50 AMD, hoping for a quick scalp on this pump. Let's have a quick look. Tesla. There we go. We want to sell one now. We bought one share. We bought 182.60, 184. So let's go sell. Let's go sell now, and we'll do a stop trail order. We're going to sell one share of Tesla. We want to add, but we also want to make some money. So here we go. We're going to look at it, look at the chart, and go right. Okay, it's moving around. I bought it for 182.60. So we're $2 up on it. That's fine. I'm happy to make $2. Remember, I bought my house by making lots of $1 tips. That's how I bought my house. So every penny for me counts. Lower my averages. Keep buying more. Keep making profits. Never losing money. Right. So 184. We're up about $2 now. So what should we allow? We will sell an amount, and I think we'll set in a 50 cents stop loss. Give ourselves 50 cents. It's just one share, and good for the day. Good till cancelled. It doesn't really matter. Good till cancelled. In fact, no, not for a stop trail loss. Good for the day. 50 cents. Shares one. Good for the day. 184. Okay. So I'm guaranteed to make $1.50. 100%. Because I'm up $2 now. It can fall 50 cents. I make $1.50. That's fine. All right. Guaranteed $1.50, which it is trending down. Tesla is way overpriced. It only belongs at $120, $130 a share. It could even go to 100. So it is overpriced. We know it. Elon Musk is damaging it again with the Doge law case he's going to get thrown at him. We also know he's going to sell the stock to raise money to pay off his Twitter debts. We also know they have to raise money. So it's all overpriced no matter how good you think the company is. So I'm guaranteed to make 150. In reality, though, it's probably going to rise up a little bit. So there we go. 50 cents. I will take a 150 profit. Absolutely, because it is trending down. I'm only selling one. I want to add to my position, but let's get make some profit on the table. Let's take some money out. We can buy it when it goes down. So there we go. Amount 50 cents, share one, good for the day, review the order, 5 shares available. I'm just going to do one and we will just sell it and forget it. And I'm guaranteed to make 150. If not, I will make more. It might keep on running. All right, there is a pump going on right now, and I do anticipate in the next half an hour it may be going up to 190. Then I'll make myself $10, and then I can buy it back down again at 180 again. All right. Okay, so we can forget Tesla now. We can move on. We don't have to worry about it. No emotion here, just excitement. Just bought 50 shares. Congratulations to you. Ha, a gambler. Not really. Not really. I've made the money out of it now. I'm only actually gambling, if you want, with my profits. So it's not really gambling at all. I'm not going to lose any money. I can only make money. It's fun for you to watch, right? A day ago, I said I was going to buy it, 10 cents. And you said, why are you buying it? Here you are buying at 21 cents. Follow your soul because the situation changes. The situation changes. Keaton S. I don't see your links on YouTube. So the situation changes. The news changes. The markets are changing. That chart is terrible, says Fusion 301. What's up, Martin? Maximilian, welcome to you, our friend from Greece. But the red market will drown us under 3, so it's over for Galactic. I don't get it. We could still bounce under 3 with any news right. Yes, we could. But Virgin Galactic haven't got any news yet. People keep saying they're about to fly, but Tesla sold. Tesla sold. By the looks of things, it's heading back down again. There we go. All right. Back down to 4. I made $1.50. $1.50. Now, some of you will go, why do you care about $1.50? I care about every single penny I can make. People often go, I don't see why you bothered about that. Well, I am bothered about that because $1 is what bought my house. Right, so what did I buy it for? Yeah. I made $1.50. $1.50. Hey, keep doing it over and over again. Make some money. Right. We'll now buy it back. I've got an order placed at 150. So that's good. I've got some money in my account now. There we go. My Roth IRA, if I share on the screen how much money I've got, my money's going up all the time. I've got now $2,000 available in my Roth IRA. It's at $1,700 a place to buy limit orders. Very, very nice indeed. So that's good. Money there. And we're just below 49,000. Let's see if we can get back to 49,000 again. All right, come back to here. Tesla has some strength here. It's going back down. It's a screenshot, not a link. Okay, a screenshot's fine. I think you missed that when I said earlier. Where should I post it? In links for YouTube. Go over to Discord and you can see links for YouTube. I'll share it on the screen so you can see it. Links for YouTube. You can access this now because you can see all the channels. Keaton S. There is links for YouTube. Drop it in there and I will share it on the screen. Thank you very much indeed for your input. I am Nami Kang. Hello, Nami Kang. I would love to accept you. You're Chinese, I think. Hello, Nami Kang, our guest from China. I only accept friend requests from members to protect our viewers. Become a member, link below, and you get 20 times back what you put in, plus I will accept your membership. Thank you. Okay. This is especially for Nami Kang. Nami Kang is from China.
중국에서 온 강남이님 안녕하세요. 시청자 보호를 위해 회원분들의 친구 신청만 받습니다. 아래 회원 링크로 가입하시면 입력한 금액의 20배를 돌려받으실 수 있으며 요청을 수락하겠습니다. 감사합니다.
Now that was in Korean, but I believe that Nami Kang is from China. So I will do this in Chinese for Nami Kang, who'd like to become get my friend request on Discord. We only do it for members.
你好，来自中国的 Nami Kang， 我只接受会员的好友请求，以保护我们的观众成为下面的会员链接，你会得到你所投入的20倍的回报，而且我会接受你的请求，谢谢。
Okay, there we go. So Tesla's going back down again, like we expected. We took a profit from it. We made a small a profit. We've lowered our averages. We want to buy the share back at 150, but anywhere below 180 today, where I bought it, I've won on both sides of the coin. So that's fine. Church of Logic, we've missed you. How are you, mate? Wonderful to have you here. We are having a great day today. Lots going on. Record audiences. Let's have a look now. We've had, how many have we had through the show? We've had, let's have a look, 257 through the show so far. Very nice indeed. 7,133 subscribers. Thank you very much indeed. We're on target for 10,000 by the end of the year. 100,000 within 2 years now, which is nice. Inside 2 years. We've done lots of scalp trades today. Links for YouTube from Keaton S. Keaton S. Here is the Matthew Wright information. Here we go. Keaton S. about Virgin Orbit. Okay. I will not comment on the specifics, generalities of purported transaction with Virgin Orbit, but will address the following. I believe in the manufacturing technology and the employees, not management, and wanted to see VO flourish under new leadership. I had the funding to make the deal, and I was able to substantiate it. I never held a position long or short in Virgin Orbit, and thus did not stand to gain from price movement. I find the piece written by Tim entertaining to read to a Virgin Orbit transaction. Nonetheless, the accusations put forward in the absence of evidence are not meritorious, and therefore do not warrant engagement. Even as I disagree with and reject Mr. Fernhold's basis claims, but the entertainment value distracts from the real narrative. Again, entertainers, people on YouTube, people in the news trying to sell the story rather than the facts. I won't do it here on my channel. Management's fundamental failures have directly led to the destruction of a shareholder value, as well as the loss of stakeholder and employee livelihoods. The same day, VO announced it was pausing its operations, according to multiple media outlets. The board approved a golden parachute severance plan for management. Given the unsustainable financial position of VO at this time, I am not certain which is more egregious. sorry if I mispronounced that the board would consider such a severance plan to be proper management oversight of, or the management would consider it warranted. The board should have held management accountable and had the duty of knowledge to do so. In the time in the time where management appears to have soft landing, the VO employees have lost their livelihoods. I agree with the departing chief officer Tony Gingis, who I do not know and have not met, but addressing his colleagues is in a goodbye letter. You deserve better than this. That is the post from Matthew Brown. Thank you very much, Keaton S, for sending that in. All right. Why did Yahoo increase the 1-year target for VORB to $9 from $5? I don't know why they would do that. Remember, a lot of analysts are, it's their job to promote the stock. It's not there to help the retail investor. Be very, very careful of listening to what analysts tell you. Very often they are employed to, promote the stock. So be very careful. Don't listen to a word they say. Would you guys give up on Virgin, or would you guys give up on Virgin already? Virgin Galactic, I've said it would go to $3, and it is right on the button. I said it would. There it is. You're looking at it right on the screen. No surprise. And Virgin Galactic could fail if it goes below. Virgin Orbit, we've got sell orders at 24. Tesla, I'm waiting to buy it again. I've just sold it and made a profit. I'm waiting to buy another one. That's good. Lucid, we're out of the stock. Well, we've got 51 shares. I won't buy it until it goes to 6. Apple, I've got enough. I'm not buying any more. Oh my God, just checking AMC. Oh my God, just checking AMC, please. Aoski, I will check it if you are a member. If you are a member, I will check the AMC stock. It's a perk of being a member to our channel. Here's the invitation to join. Let me translate. Oh, I've done it. Okay, I got it. Hope. Nope, I am from Korea. Okay, so in Korean then for you, here is the information.
중국에서 온 강남이님 안녕하세요. 시청자 보호를 위해 회원분들의 친구 신청만 받습니다. 아래 회원 링크로 가입하시면 입력한 금액의 20배를 돌려받으실 수 있으며 요청을 수락하겠습니다. 감사합니다.
I can review a stock for our members. Yes, I can go into detail for our members only. I am a member. Aoski, you are not a member. Aoski, you are not a member. If you are a member, you'd have a badge on your name. You may be a subscriber and you may be on Discord, but you are not a member of this channel. If you was, you would have a badge. Here is the invitation to join. You are not a member. Maximilian, space, please. Maximilian, look back at space. There we go. Virgin Galactic, $3. Okay, here we go. 200. Welcome from the Netherlands. She is Korean. Andy from Taiwan. Thank you very much indeed. Andrew, I can't sleep. I am South Korean. Thank you so much indeed. I've corrected that. South Korean, Martin. Thank you, Sid. I've done that now, I think. Let me go down the comments. Space going down more. Yes, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. I am a member. Aoski, you're not a member. You are a subscriber. Captain Chuck. Hello, everyone. Captain Chuck, how are you this morning? Welcome to the show. Right, Virgin Galactic. Let's go back over here. Okay, we're about to end the show. Thank you very much for being here. Click subscribe and ring the bell if you are new here. We're ending the show now. I've got to go. I've got Virgin Galactic special videos coming out today. I've got Virgin Orbit videos coming out today. I've got Tesla about Elon Musk's lawsuit because of Dogecoin coming out today. For all of you that are here today, I'm actually the World Piano Man. Here is my music channel. Please go and check out my music channel. We need 900 watch hours to remain. We are at 3,100. We need another 900 watch hours to save our music channel. There it is. There's my music channel. I've got videos here of me doing 14 voices, 7 languages. There's my one night in Vegas. I've toured with the Vegas Showgirls all around the world. There you go. There's the Vegas Showgirls. Phantom of the Opera, I've done that. Jesus Christ Superstar. Sound of Elton John. This is Elton John's jacket from Lion King. If you want to hear me sing that, they're all here on the channel. Here is my Virgin Galactic Elton John's Rocket Man. If you want to hear that, 16,000 views on that one. The 4th of July parade, when I did Independence Day in America. Go and check that out. There's all my videos. All right. And I've also got an album on iTunes. If you listen to this, you are supporting my music on iTunes. There it is. This is a long time ago. I had hair then. Look at that. I had hair then. That's my album. If you want to download that on YouTube, on iTunes or Amazon, you can. So let me give it to you again. There's my music channel. Check out my album if you've never heard my album. Singing Phantom of the Opera and other stuff like that. All right. Water dancing today? No, not today, I'm afraid. But I am going to physiotherapist about my neck and my arm pains today. Hello, Craig. How are you? Can you please explain why it could fall below $3? Yes, I've got a video coming out. I can't do it now. It's a member's perk to go into that detail. We are running a poll right now as part of our Elon Musk film coming out today. If you want to take part in the video, if you want to be in the film, here is this poll here. We're running a poll. Follow me on Twitter and take part in this poll. Here we go. There is the Twitter poll. 20 votes. 60% say it was a good idea that Elon Musk changed the logo for Twitter. I think it was a terrible idea. It's now driving the stock price of Tesla down. It's popped back up again, which enabled me to buy some, but that's looking short-sighted and greedy. Okay, great, the stock goes down. We don't want Tesla to go down just so I can buy it or anybody else can buy it. Tesla's being damaged every time it gets dropped like this because institutions turn away when they see a stock like this. They don't want to be involved. So it's not good. It is for you personally, but that's not the best picture, is it? Reasons why, I will cover your video, the answers to your questions in a video coming out later on today. Okay, day trader of the day. We've got to go. So go to your main position. Go to your main position and do day trader of the day. Who is up? Who is down the most? It's a competition for our members. Now we've got our biggest ever cash prize, 10 times bigger than any other cash prize we have ever done, coming out on Sunday in the newsletter. If you want the newsletter, we're also giving away our biggest ever service prize, 100 times bigger than any other prize we've ever given away. There is the newsletter. It'll go into your junk folder because it's a newsletter. Go into junk folder and verify it. And on Sunday, 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, 2 p.m. GMT, you will get the email. If you don't get it, it's because it's back in your junk folder again. On Sunday, we'll announce our biggest ever giveaway. You don't want to miss it. It's our best ever giveaway. Okay. Day trader of the day. Here we go. What's going on with J&J? Let me have a look. J&J, fan-flipping-tastic. That's exactly what we want to happen to J&J. We took some money off the top. Let me go to my Roth IRA. That's why I sold a third of the share. I made a 6% swing. I made some money. I put some money in the bank. And now what we want to see it do is go below 160. And I will buy back more again. I've got plenty of money on hand now because I'm making profits from Virgin Orbit. I'm making profits from Virgin Galactic. I'm making money from, what was it this morning? Tesla. And we want to see it go down so I can buy it under 160. Okay, let's do our no way they did us dirty. Of course. They don't care about the retail investor. They never did. And the Wolf of Dubai, who had 24,000 subscribers, who told the world it was going to keep going up before it would go down, is now not online doing anything at all. I've been here through the entire time telling you it can go to $100 when it bloody well flies. But they keep delaying it, and it keeps going down. They're running out of money. And I've said it would go down to $3. And there we are, 1 cent away. I said it would go to $3. If it goes below $3, the potential for bankruptcy moves from 70% to 80%. In my opinion, this is not news to get you to watch the channel. This is not news to make you like me or subscribe. I'm just telling you what I'm doing with my real money, and that's it. Take it as you will. Entirely up to you what you do with that. Right, here we go. Day trader of the day. Day trader of the day. I'm down hardly at all. So because we're making money everywhere. Down 0.35%. Let's put a minute on the clock. And we've got Eric B is down 1%. I'm down 0.35. I've won 2 days in a row. Down 0.18. I'm not going to win today. Sid's beaten me. Down 2.2. Silver Surfer has no bloody idea. Down 2.8. Okay, I'll wait till 160. Well, everyone's position is their own. No bloody idea. Told you. Hey Ali, I mean Sensei. I knew it will tank. Bankrupt coming soon. Indeed. 0.35. I am down. So I am second place today. I've won 2 days in a row. Today I'm not going to win though. Today Sid is going to win. There we go. Last few seconds to go. We're out of here. And if we get 8 more likes, I will do an impression for you this morning. And time's up. Sid, thank you very much for your trades, your honest trades. Thank you for your honest trades, and also give him a thumbs up as our winner today. Darn it, I've never won 3 days in a row. I would have liked that. I've never won 3 in a row. But anyways, Sid from Netherlands, you took my crown away. There you go. Congratulations. That's me. I'm done. Thank you. Ford next to go bankrupt. Oh, here we go. I love this debate. We've got the Church of Logic and Sensei. Sensei, that's Ali Tizro, by the way, Church of Logic. He did that on purpose to wind you up, I bet, didn't he? Didn't he do that to wind you up? Are you going to bite? Are you going to bite on it? Anyway, let's have a little look. Let me just check something a minute. Right. Okay. Let's see. Right, we're out of here. I'm done. I'll see you back shortly. I do have some special videos coming out this afternoon. Thank you very much for all the members that support this channel. We go live up to 10 hours a day, and we can only do that because you support me and with super chats and memberships. Otherwise, I would stop going live and just make videos. Here is my Twitter. Please follow me on Twitter. It's the backup to this show. We've got the big giveaway coming out on Sunday. I will tell you now, it's 10 times bigger than any other cash prize we have ever done, and 100 times bigger for a service we have ever done. Looking out for that. Ed Nevius, are you ready on the phone? I'm going to call you straight after this. I need to make a video with you, if we can do that. That's it from me. Everyone, have you smashed the like button? I'd hoped we get to 50 likes today. We only made 43 likes. A little bit quieter today. People are always more fearful on the red days, which I don't understand. The red days is when you make your money. Thank you very much. 7,133 subscribers. 295 people through the stream, which is very good indeed. And there we go. We've got special videos coming out about Virgin Orbit, Virgin Galactic, and Tesla later on today. Sounds like a granddad when he said nothing can beat a Walkman. I didn't say a cassette Walkman. I said a CD, not a cassette, a CD. We've gone backwards since CD. We went backwards since Betamax as well. Anyway, that's the way it goes. That's it from me. I'm going to see you all back later. Thank you very much indeed for our subscriptions, our memberships. That's it from me. Until we meet again, thank you ever so much. Have a lovely day as always. Take care of your money. Take care of yourselves. Hang on. Take care of your money. Take care of crypto. Take care of yourselves and each other. Bye-bye for now. Thank you very much indeed. See you back for the closing bell. Special breaking news throughout the day. Ed Nevius, come into Discord. I'll see you in a bit. Bye-bye for now. Have you all subscribed to my music channel? Has everyone done that? I'm trying to get up to 4,000 watch hours. We're now at 3,100. Loop the videos. Join my music. That's it from me. I'm out of here. I've gone too long. Even the music's finished. Bye-bye, everybody on Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, multiple websites, and, of course, over there on TikTok. Next time, join the family. Be part of YouTube. Bye-bye for now. Take care of yourselves and each other. Where are you going? Maximilian, I've got to go. I'll be back very shortly. If you remember, I'd stay on for you, but you're not. All right, see you back in a bit. Bye-bye for now.